Today we will demonstrate the replacement of the SUP23T collimator lens. Loosen the 3 screws holding the QBH lock. Remove the QBH lock. Cover it with masking tape to keep ash out. Loosen the locking ring. Replace the collimator lens. Notice that the convex side of the lens faces up. After the replacement, put back the pressure ring. Install the locking ring. Put the QBH lock back in the gun. Need to pay attention to the bottom marker, is in line with the top screw. Lock up screws. The collimator lens has been replaced.